So if you are a beginner, you probably learned to solve the first two layers like this. First the corner, and then the edge. So when we do F2L, that means we solve the corner and the edge piece simultaneously, like this. So let's learn it. There are corner and edge piece of the same color in the top layer. So to pair them up, you first need to put your finger there and use that to decide where the edge should go. So in this case, there is the same color in the top layer. So you need the edge to go here. In this case, it's the opposite of the other one. The colors are not the same. So you put your finger and check where it should go. In this case, it is here. So always, if the color is the same, place the edge in the tip of your finger, and if the colors aren't the same, you put the edge closest to you. So there are only those two cases, so it will be easy to pair them. Now guess where should the edge go in this case? Yeah, you got it, it's here. If you want to buy cubes, cube mats, timers, or any other cubing accessories, go visit cubos.com and use discount code CBN for
huge discount.
If I missed something, or if you have any suggestions on the next video, feel free to let me know in the comments. See you next time.